Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing hardware and permissions. Plug the X8 Ultra in and charge until it reads at least 30%. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Bluetooth on your phone and install the official companion app. You need app permissions for notifications and health data. Make sure the watch screen is active and discoverable, then tap Pair in the app. Doing this now saves time later, because firmware transfers and initial sync require stable power and a steady Bluetooth link. You'll now complete the detailed setup inside the app. Start by accepting the requested permissions, contacts, notifications, location, so alerts and GPS work correctly. Then select your preferred watch face, measurement units, and notification filters. These choices control what appears on the wrist and conserve battery. If the app prompts a firmware update, do it now and use Wi-Fi for big files. Make sure the watch stays on the charger during updates, because interrupted firmware installs can leave the device unstable. You're almost done. Learn daily habits and one quick fix. Use the app sync button when data doesn't appear immediately. Manual sync forces a fresh transfer. For connectivity hiccups or frozen screens, hold the side button for about 10 seconds to restart the watch, which often resolves memory or Bluetooth problems. If nothing fixes it, reset to factory settings through the watch menu, but make sure you've backed up data in the app. Resetting erases local health logs and paired device info.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.